eDeskers, and welcome to a brand new eDesk classroom series. Today I'm going to be showing you the best practices to set up your mailbox for success. So on the agenda, we're going to be talking about adding channels to eDesk, how easy it is and how important it is to really create this powerful help desk. Then I'm going to walk you through the mailbox view as well as the ticket view, where you'll see really important customer and order information. I'm going to be talking about the smart inbox and how you can create folders to stay organized. And last but not least, we're going to be talking about customizing the mailbox to really make it work for your business. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. First things first, when you start with eDesk, you want to add all the channels you're selling on, whether it's Amazon, eBay, Magento, Shopify, whether it's a Gmail account where you receive customer queries, Facebook, Instagram, just add them to eDesk. There's over 300 channels available in eDesk and they're all gathered into the App Store. You can easily access your App Store at the bottom left of your eDesk account, the wee icon highlighted in blue. Easy to add a channel, you'd simply click on it. As you can see, I'm clicking on the App Store, brings me to the channels. I click on the one I want to use and I follow the instructions on screen, and that's really easy. The result is your customer support is in one place and not all over the place, which is really important. After connecting your channels, you will see your mailbox get populated with all your tickets. So you'll see a lot of information about the tickets at one glance. So here, for example, I can see my Amazon UK tickets, my eBay US tickets, my Shopify tickets, my Twitter messages, they're all right here in one single screen. So it saves me a lot of time because I don't need to log into all these different platforms. It's right here in eDesk. And I can see at one glance what the ticket is about, it's what ticket type it is, who's messaging me, and a quick glance of what the message is. So it's really powerful, and it's all consolidated in one single inbox, and that's the beauty of eDesk. So whenever I'm on my mailbox screen, I can then click on any ticket listed, and that brings me to what's called the ticket view, and that's what we see right here on the right hand side. So everything is there at your fingertips to give the customer a fast and accurate response. So I can see right now the customer's having an issue with a certain product that they bought. I know exactly what the product is because it's on the right hand side in the ticket view. I can see the order number, the product, the delivery address, when the estimated delivery is. I know everything in one glance. So I can just type up my answer and hit send. The result is I will respond faster than my competitors, and that's really important. Oh, my favorite, the smart inbox. I don't know if you remember previously, we had the mailbox view with all the tickets. Well, in the mailbox, you can select to view a list of all your tickets, or you can choose to use the smart inbox, which I've chosen right now. The smart inbox allows you to stay organized without lifting a finger. It will automatically group and prioritize your tickets, so your team never has to. And the beauty of it, eDesk will do it, you don't have to. So if you look on the right hand side, I have selected the smart inbox, and you can see eDesk automatically gather my tickets into an SLA expiring category. So I'll see all my tickets that require urgent attention because the SLA is running out basically. I can see all my tickets that are cancellation, all my tickets where I can reply using an artificial intelligence response, all my tickets that are shipping inquiries, and so on and so forth. It's really clever and saves you a lot of time. Here's a quick example to illustrate what I was on about. So let's pretend you're using the smart inbox and you're the only agent in your team responsible for dealing with return requests. So what I can do is I just go to the smart inbox, I select the returns category, I hit review and reply, and there they are, the 3 tickets in my mailbox that are about returns. I have them directly on screen. I can just get cracking, get started, reply to these tickets, and that's it, done. I'm concentrated, focused, and I know that all these tickets here are my returns tickets, so it's really powerful. Another very important feature of eDesk is creating folders. So you can easily create folders in your mailbox by filtering by tag and pin them to the left hand side. Sounds a bit scary, but it's not, don't worry. I'll show you how to do that real fast. So to get started, we're going to create a tag. So we go to settings, tags, we click add tag, and you just name it, select a lovely color for it, and an icon. So mine is going to be a positive tag, a tag that I will use for all my tickets where customers leaving a really positive review if they're really happy with the service, because I want to be able to see them quickly. So I selected the color green, and I'm going to select a little smiley face. There we are. And then I save it, and that's my tag created. Now, the next step is obviously to tag my tickets. So I just click on the ticket, I use the tag option, I select my positive feedback tag that I created previously. You can see it's been added at the top with the wee smiley face, brilliant. And then what I need to do is go back to the mailbox screen and create a filter. So I will go on the top right hand side and select create new filter. And I want eDesk to show me all tickets that are tagged with positive feedback. And then I scroll down and I simply hit save. I give this filter a name, so it's my positive feedback tickets, and I use pin to the sidebar. And when I do that, you'll see a pinned filter category just appearing with the positive feedback that I created, and that will show me all the tickets that have been tagged with positive feedback, and that's these folders that I was on about. So your workspace is kept tidy and you know where everything is. Last but not least, let's talk about customizing the mailbox. We all know businesses work differently. Certain businesses need to see some information right away. Some others need to see other information. It's really like different. And that's the beauty of eDesk. You have the possibility to completely personalize your mailbox to make sure it works for you. So we have an option called Customize Table Layout. It's a little icon on the top right of your mailbox that I'm going to show you in just a minute right here. There we go. Customize table layout. You just click on it, and then from here you'll be able to change the columns, to change the order, add new ones, remove some others. And as a quick example, I'm very interested in seeing the value of the purchase at one glance. So I can add a sales order column, add it at the very top, so it's really the first column I see when I log into the mailbox, and hit save. And when I do that, you'll see the layout has now changed, and I have the value of the order as my column number 1, which is exactly what I wanted to do. It's really important to take time to customize your mailbox to really make sure it works for your business. And that's it for today. Let's go through a quick summary of what we've learned. So the best practices to set up your mailbox for success with eDesk is to add your channels. So gather everything in one place, whether it's your marketplace, web store, social media, email. Add these channels into eDesk so you see everything in one space. Really important. After that, use the mailbox and the ticket view to quickly identify important details and have access to all the information you need. Work from the smart box to save time and stay focused. Create tags and pinned filters to keep your workspace organized. Really important. Saves you a lot of time as well. And last but not least, customize your mailbox. Make sure you personalize your workspace and ensure you have access to all the information you and your team need. As usual, I've included a link to our help center just below. Feel free to have a little visit. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and see you for the next one.